Welcome everyone, my name is Joelle and today I'm going to take you through a really short, really gentle neck release that you can do anytime and anywhere. So just find any place where you are comfortable seated. That could be on a chair, on a pillow, or simply on the floor. And just find a nice straight spine. Close the eyes. And as we just take a few deep breaths here, in and out through the nose, just notice how your neck is feeling, and really the whole region of the neck. So perhaps you notice that one shoulder is sitting a little bit higher than the other. Perhaps you notice that the chin is tilting in a particular direction. Or perhaps you just notice areas of discomfort or tension. And if you'd like, you could open the eyes or keep them closed. We'll start with the left shoulder. So keeping the right shoulder down and really relaxed, very, very slowly start to lift your left shoulder up towards your left ear. Going super slow here, even slower than you think you can. Just really creeping it up bit by bit by bit. And whenever you get it about as high as you think it'll go, let's hold it there. So we're still lifting that left shoulder, a lot of activity in those muscles between the left shoulder and the neck, keeping the right shoulder still really relaxed. Lift, 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 lift. Squeeze the abs, squeeze the glutes, distract yourself from the feeling of that shoulder still lifting, lifting, lifting. Let's take one more deep breath in and out as we lift. And then even more slowly than when you lifted it, start to lower that shoulder back down. So slowly, slowly, slowly. You might find that it has further to travel than you expected. Totally normal, still lowering. We're not there yet. 1 millimeter at a time. And when it feels like that left shoulder has softened all the way down, no rush. Just take a moment to close the eyes and observe any difference between the left and right side. And let's try things with the right shoulder now. So see if you can go even more slowly on this side, keeping the left shoulder down. Really finding that space as the right shoulder creeps up in the direction of the ear. Never knew your shoulders and your ears were so far apart. Keep lifting, 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 lifting. Eventually reaching the very top of that lift and then holding here for a few deep breaths. About 30 seconds here, constant activity in that right shoulder. Keeping it lifting. Head is simply looking straight. Lift. Let's take one more deep breath in and out. And then just like before, really slowly, very slowly dropping that right shoulder down. Slower, slower, slower. How slow can you go? Finding new depth with that shoulder, with the shoulder blade. How much further can it go? Once it feels like you're there, again, just taking a deep breath in and out. And a few times, let's simply turn the head, look over one shoulder and then the other. Just a couple times left and right here. Let's take one more. Bringing the head back to center, rocking left ear towards left shoulder and over towards the right. Again, keeping those shoulder blades down. And one more on each side. And back to center. Last little move here. Release the chin in the direction of the chest. And then take that gaze towards the sky. Just the neck that's working. Shoulders are really released. Jaw is relaxed. Face is relaxed. Let's just take one more. And then bringing that head back to center, feeling it nicely balanced on top of the spine, observing how you feel after just a few minutes. And I hope that this release has helped you. You're welcome to come back to it anytime, anywhere. I do have a longer, more complete neck pain session, which I will link in the description box below. And you might also sometime like to try my TMJ and jaw massage practice, which is really going to help get at a lot of those same tensions that can get to us with neck pain and just overall tension in this part of the body. Thank you so much for joining me. If you appreciated this short practice, please do hit that like button. It really helps me out. And I do hope to see you again on the mat soon.